Welcome, everyone. What steps does spinach go through after harvest? Let's find out.
Witness the dawn of a new day over vast fields, where nature and technology nurture the freshest spinach. Colossal harvesters glide through fields, precisely gathering nature's bounty. Giant machines gently harvest spinach, preserving its pristine quality for market. From fertile fields, a journey of freshness begins. Giant robotic arms initiate the careful transfer, beginning the journey of fresh spinach. With formidable strength, the bin is lifted and transferred toward the automated tipping station. The massive bin inverts, unleashing a torrent of nutrient-rich spinach. American line workers monitor the initial flow, ensuring quality before processing begins. A verdant river of spinach cascades onto the colossal vibrating shaker table, initiating the crucial sorting process. Powerful vibrations audibly shake larger debris, like rocks and roots, through massive grates, ensuring only pure spinach proceeds. The precision engineering of the shaker table guarantees impeccable separation, leaving only perfect spinach. With incredible efficiency, the automated system separates unwanted elements, preserving the spinach's pristine quality. The perfectly sorted spinach exits the colossal shaker, ready for the next meticulous stage of preparation. Vast flumes of chilled water gently loosen impurities from the freshly harvested spinach. Precision systems ensure every leaf is meticulously prepared for consumption. The turbulent flow expertly removes impurities, preserving the spinach's natural freshness. This initial wash is crucial, ensuring only the purest spinach continues its journey. In the vast main washing hall, colossal machines orchestrate nature's purity. Inside, powerful vortexes ensure every leaf is meticulously purified. Advanced pumping systems ensure a continuous, controlled flow, vital for optimal cleaning. Precision jets deliver a final, impeccable rinse, leaving the spinach perfectly clean. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Inside the first washing vortex, thousands of vibrant spinach leaves are rigorously cleaned by powerful water jets. Every leaf surface is meticulously scrubbed, ensuring absolute cleanliness and premium quality. From above, The colossal whirlpool precisely guides each leaf through its cleansing cycle. Advanced water filtration ensures crystal clear water, maintaining peak hygiene. Engineered efficiency guides the leaves, ensuring every part of the cleaning cycle is optimized. Automated systems precisely regulate every aspect, ensuring consistent, high-quality cleaning. After rigorous cleaning, the spinach leaves emerge pristine, ready for the next stage. The initial washing stage complete, millions of clean leaves prepare for the next step. Precision machinery guides the spinach through progressively cleaner microfiltered water. Sophisticated systems ensure each leaf is pristine for consumption. The final purification stage uses ultra-filtered water to ensure peak freshness. Immense, gleaming machinery orchestrates a spotless journey for every leaf. Each individual leaf emerges perfectly clean, retaining its natural vitality. The automated system ensures precise handling, readying the spinach for packaging. Advanced machinery precisely directs the freshly washed spinach towards the dewatering process. Each dryer is meticulously loaded, preparing the spinach for its gentle yet thorough dewatering. A skilled line worker oversees the process, ensuring peak efficiency and quality control. The dewatering station operates seamlessly, preparing pristine spinach for its next stage. A perfect carpet of spinach now glides across the colossal sorting line, ready for advanced inspection. Under brilliant, focused light, every vibrant leaf is perfectly presented for meticulous quality control.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos.
The immense scale of the sorting conveyor hums with precision, a marvel of modern food production technology. Advanced optical sorters meticulously inspect every leaf, ensuring only the finest quality proceeds. Precision air jets activate in milliseconds, expertly removing any leaf not meeting the highest standards. This technological marvel processes thousands of leaves per second, ensuring consistent excellence. This automated precision ensures only the highest grade of spinach reaches the consumer. Thousands of delicate leaves are analyzed per second, each scrutinized for perfection. Every perfect leaf continues its journey, a testament to uncompromising quality control. The optical sorter, a marvel of modern engineering, ensuring purity and freshness. From thousands of leaves, only the purest emerald green makes the cut. Unseen forces of light and air relentlessly purge imperfections, ensuring unmatched purity. The rhythm of precision, a testament to advanced sorting technology. Thousands of choices made every second, ensuring the purity of nature's bounty. The journey continues for millions of perfect leaves, untouched by imperfection. A relentless guardian, ensuring every leaf meets the pinnacle of quality. Unwavering commitment to quality, powered by intelligent automation. The silent guardians work tirelessly, ensuring every package holds nature's best. The perfected spinach ascends, ready for its precise division. A colossal weigher meticulously sorts each leaf. Precision engineering divides the bounty into 24 precise streams. Each portion is weighed with unmatched accuracy, ensuring perfect consistency. Advanced multi-head weighers ensure precise portions, optimizing every package of fresh spinach. Digital precision guides the process, ensuring every package meets exact weight specifications with unparalleled accuracy. This automated ballet of technology and nature ensures consistent quality and weight in every spinach package.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos.
The multi-head weigher, a testament to innovation, masters the art of delivering perfect portions every time. Precision automation ensures every bag of spinach is perfectly prepared. Once filled, each package moves swiftly to the next stage for airtight sealing. This sophisticated symphony of technology ensures consistent quality and unmatched efficiency. From farm to package, this journey guarantees fresh, quality spinach for consumers. Advanced technology ensures each bag of spinach is perfectly prepared for freshness. Heat sealing locks in the freshness, creating a secure, ready-to-eat package. This state-of-the-art facility ensures every package meets the highest standards of quality. Precision engineering ensures gentle handling of every package. Advanced sensors guide the gripper for perfect alignment. The powerful arm lifts its precious cargo with effortless grace. Every array is precisely positioned, ready for final packing. Robotic precision ensures each package is perfectly placed for optimal protection and transport. The journey continues as the filled cases approach the sealing station for final preparation. The sophisticated sealing machine securely tapes the cases shut, ensuring product integrity. Into the vast, sub-zero cold storage, automated precision ensures optimal freshness. These silent sentinels meticulously organize and stack each precious case. Ready for nationwide distribution, our commitment to quality delivered fresh.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos.